Hello. I hope you guys are doing good today. So I know we have been doing a lot of work on telling time to the hour. So if you look right here, you can see that both hands, so the minute and the hour hand, are pointing up to the 12. So that means 12 o'clock. We've also worked on telling time to the half hour, and that is when our minute hand points directly down to the 6 and it reads 12:30. We also know that when we are telling time to the half hour, our hour hand, the short hand, will be between two numbers, and you always read the hour before, not the one that is ahead. So you read 12:30. And this is how it is written right up here. Today, I want to go over telling time to the 5-minute interval. We have practiced counting by fives throughout the year. When we count by fives, we count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So there are 60 minutes in an hour. When we are counting by 5-minute intervals, so let me go back to 12 o'clock. Each of these numbers, so the 12 is always 12:00, so 12 o'clock. When the minute hand is pointing up there, you're always going to have 00 for your minutes. Every number around the clock goes up by 5. So we count by 5. So every number will be another 5 minutes around the clock, another 5 minutes in that hour. So if we were to jump to 12:05, it would look like this, 12:05, because we go 5, 10, there's 12:10, 15, 20, 25, we know this is 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and back to 60, which is another hour. So look at, we've made our way around and we're at 1 o'clock now. Let's do this one more time. So we're going to go at the 1, 5. So that would be 1:05, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then it will be 2 o'clock. It will be a full hour because 1 hour is 60 minutes. All right, you ready? So we're at 1, 1:05, 1:10, 1:15, 1:20, 1:25, 1:30, 1:35, 1:40, 1:45, 1:50, 1:55, and back to the top. It will be 2 o'clock, 1 full hour. We counted 60 minutes. All right, let's try it one more time. We're going to bring ourselves to 3 o'clock by counting by fives around to make 60 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 3 o'clock. All right, so if I wanted to make the clock say 3:35, so remember each of these numbers around is always going to be counting by fives. If I want 3:35, let's count 2. Let's add on 35 minutes. You ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 3:35. And you notice our yellow hand, the hour hand, moves the entire time. We're moving the minutes around the clock. All right, I'm going to bring this up. It's going to bring us to 4 o'clock at the top. Now I want to do 4:50. So we're going to count by fives, starting at the 1, all the way around until we find 4:50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And that is 4:50. So this week, I would like you to practice counting on a clock. The top, if the minute hand is pointing to the 12, it's always o'clock. So it's always 0, 0. Then you're going to count by fives all the way around the clock until you make another hour. So another 60 minutes. So this week, I want you to just practice 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, or 1 hour. All right? Good job, everybody.